Good evening, everybody. How is everybody doing? It is 7:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is October the 23rd. I'm taking a couple of trades here. One on gold. I was short. Looks like we're getting a bit of a long. Let's see what happens. I'm going to bounce around a couple different accounts. And we'll see what we get. Hey, JP. Good morning to those in Romania. Take a monster. What's up, guys? Dr. Jive. Doctor. Let's give ourselves a little bit of a there. So we're kind of in this point of control from the Globex Open. Hard to say up or down from here. Thank you. Super chop. Look at this deviation. About as balanced as you get, at least for now. Let's wait for some action. What's up, Corey? I don't see a reason to go long in gold yet, but we got VWAP at 37. I was short. I just closed my short. Yeah, I would say you would watch, I would use one from Globex, and then I would be aware of the previous sessions as well for London. You're definitely going to want to know where you're at with regards to the previous session. Both. We'll look at both. So we can drop one here too. This is in the wrong spot here. Why is it at 8:30? Go. Still think it looks like a good short. I'll take a stab here. So we do have this low volume area. If we can hold below 36, 36, 37, I think it makes a good short. Short at 34. So I'm already 10 ticks in profit. Not that that's all that exciting. You know, maybe back to 31. Here goes. 20 ticks here, 2 points on a mini. Yeah, I'll be running a there it goes. I just got filled on that short 400. Man, nice one. Yeah, the volatility is it's quite slow, but it's normal. On Tuesday, man, we got some great action on Tuesday. That was something else. Tuesday we got that big dump. Right, so this is kind of the balance area we're forming here. Right, the question is, do we continue to rotate in here? Do we actually get some direction? Right, so this would be a fade value or extreme long. I don't know if I like it here. I like it better down in the 20s. So we'll be patient. Nice, AJ. It's a great trade. NQ looks like it wants higher. We're at 300 here. Do we do all-time highs tonight? Look, we went right up there to weekly band on NQ. To the tick. To the tick. Boy. It sure looks like it wants to break through it. Look at the long term here. Yeah, good short on gold. ICT, I can't trade. What's that oscillator? This is the cumulative delta oscillator out of the VWAP Wave System toolkit, which I think their website is down right now, actually. So it's based on balance volume, delta theory. It's not true delta. TradingView doesn't have true delta. Do we want to chase? Yeah. JP, you tell him. Super illiquid. It's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tick spread. Even bigger. Crazy. 6 tick spread right now. That's true. I won't be invited on any shows because all they do is trade ICT. True story. You know what's funny, JP? When I thought of the idea of inner circle, I literally did not think of ICT whatsoever until people brought it up after the fact. I know that might sound crazy, but it's the truth. I did not even think about it. What do we think about long here? Do we like long yet in gold? Return to value? Back to VWAP yet? Can we get to 35 maybe? Or is gold just going to bleed out? Well, we have a distribution formed here now. So we're kind of holding the bottom side of this distribution. If we're going to stay in balance, maybe we get some upside here. I don't know. We'll wait and see. If we stay in balance or we just bleed out, we got to see. Oops. Crazy action though. Look at this. All over the place. Kind of at a point of control for this distribution right here. We've left this distribution. Let's take a look at the higher time frame, see what it looks like. I don't want that. I'm not talking, Ken. Not yet, anyway. I'm just kind of sitting here watching nothing happen. Ken, can you hear me? You know, it sure seems like it's been a magnet point, that monthly VWAP. Been kind of fading from here, but I don't know. We've been fading since we hit this high here at 10 o'clock this morning. So we're still in yesterday's value area, or today's Globex value area, right? Which we went down to, which is at 126 is the low, right? So we can easily rotate up into 140. That's kind of the distribution we formed in the last day. Nice take a monster. It's a nice little win. Very quiet. Nice, Corey. What are you short from? Yeah, well, it's sometimes it picks up. We got to be ready, right? So we just kind of, ooh, there you go. There's something. Just dump out of nowhere. Somebody decides they want to dump a large amount of contracts. $123. What does that clear the swing low? Everything is doing nothing. So this is a point of control from Monday after that huge, right? So we have kind of have this value area. You can definitely get your 23. I think that might be a given, right? What I would be watching here is pretty much this area to as like a balance area. If we break below it, or downside. What's your stop at break even? What's the break even stop at? You might have said that already. 31.6. Yeah, we do have this session value area low right here. It'll be interesting to see. And this is the point of control from Tuesday right here. We're literally at it. Interesting. We chopped around it a lot today too. On the 1 minute, it does move. Hello from the Philippines. Welcome, Krell. all the way from the Philippines. Corey, it's sneaking up there on you. Nice, Corey. Great trade. Marvelous. Marvelous. For micros? Oh, shit. Serious. Corey came to play. That's why you're playing it tight, too. You don't need to mess around with that. Sure feels weak. See what the profile says here. $35. Interesting. Japanese CPI. I don't know what that means to us, but actual forecast previous. So their inflation's picking up a bit too. This is very slow. No setups. Look at NQ. What a mess. What a mess that is. Not pretty. Yeah, it was. See what else we got. So this is kind of a key level. Oof. Dump it now. Yeah, it was a beautiful short, Corey. Good job. Wonder if that's a clear out low. We'll get some buyers here, or we'll see what happens. What do you think, guys? More? More dumpage, or is this it? Cleared this swing low. Does feel a little trappy. Very weak and slow. Nice, LJ. Oof. Just a little pop there. Hit it. My instant funded. So this is at 57.5. I only have to do another 1,500 bucks in this account for the payout, for a $3,500 payout. It's a nice short. I'll lock out of this one, call it a week. Yep, top one. Top one, instant funded. Oh, look at my risk to reward, guys. Totally inversed. I took one or two big losses in this account. Totally screwed the stats. I also made like 300 something dollars this day. They took it away from me. So I'd be closer to 50. I'd be like $1,000 away. But that's it for this account. I'm not going to trade it tomorrow. I just locked myself out, so I can't trade it tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Well, I got out there, Conscious Master. I think that was it for the short on gold. They cleared out that swing low, at least for now. We'll see what happens. There could be a price discovery short here. Rallied quite a bit off of that. Buyers really stepped in. Nice, Angie. Great trade. Best trade. Worst trade is good. So even though this is a little skewed, the average risk to reward, biggest winner, biggest loser, hand out nice. I'm a little more long than I am short. Coming back up now. Okay. Let's see what we get next. We'll trade something else. Trade my Top Step X 50K. I'll do micros. This one's got about 3K in profits in it. I try to, JP. I do try to. All right, let's see what we get. NQ, nothing. Gold, what are you thinking here, Corey? I'd like to see a sweep below, reject, second sweep, then rip. Okay. So you wanted to go lower and then rip. Second dip lower can bring us down to monthly VWAP, which we've held. It's been pretty significant support and resistance. All right. Oh. Big arrow. Kind of been the spot. That's monthly VWAP, guys, just if you're not sure. So there was a higher time frame setup here too. I kind of marked it out. Where did I mark it out? We have point of control. Yesterday's value area low. Or actually, that's today's value area low. So it's a higher time frame fade value area extreme right here. Bob Burners here, guys. We've actually been having pretty busy evening streams. It's nice. We got almost 40 people on the Discord. We got almost 40 people on YouTube. It's about 80 people watching. It's pretty good. For my session volume profile, these are my settings. Start at 820 on gold, go to about 4. This should be about 68. Shouldn't really change it, but slightly. That's about it. Been wearing my Don't Diddle in the Middle t-shirt today. Yeah, I think we already got it. Actually, I'd already touched it to the tick, and we're now down 30 ticks from there. That would have been awesome. Why didn't we take that? Why didn't anybody let me know that was there? What are we doing with our lives here, guys? Come on. Do we still like it short? Man, MGC is so boring. Man, this thing could really move too. I don't know. It's kind of scary, isn't it? Gold is crazy. Gold doesn't give a damn. Michael Huddleston. Michael Huddleston, who? Is that his name? I feel like the volatility is picking up a little bit. No? I don't know. Maybe I'm imagining it. I could reject it a little bit again there. I have 3 micros up here. But it's kind of playing games, isn't it? Oh. What are we thinking, guys? What are we thinking? Well, this is pretty diddle. Well, this has to be the last line of defense now, right here. IB mid, LVN, previous session LVN. I mean, this thing can move, can't it? No, they squeezed JP out. Does it reverse now? I don't know. This thing could go up another 200 ticks from here. Who the fuck knows? This is just crazy. This gold stuff is crazy. Trade so much differently than NQ. I'm more used to more rotations and oscillation. This just moves in one direction. Illiquid like. There's got to be more volatility though, right? When they're trading on the 15 second. It's got to be. All right. I turned that into a little $50 winner, and I'm done because this price action sucks, I think. There it is, JP. What a pain in the ass, huh? What a pain in the ass gold is. I much prefer NQ, but that's just me. Yeah, I would say, I would agree with you, Corey. I would say NQ is much more forgiving. Gold is brutal. Yeah. I caught some nice winners on it. I hit a profit target in my 150K, and I had a whole whopping $50 trading micros. I was trading the full size of my instant funded on my top one. It is what it is. Anderson said, I have to apologize, Drysdale. I got short from that area as well. That is the reason it went up that much. True story, Anderson. If it's going up, why are we shorting it? It's just the leverage is kind of insane based on how much it moves. I don't know. And the whole $10 a tick and 10 ticks to a point thing. And it skips 6 ticks at a time, especially right now. All right, guys, I have a class to teach here in about 5 minutes, so I'm going to wrap it up. For you gold traders, good luck trading the rest of this session. If you're in the premium Discord, I encourage you to head on over to the voice channel. You can share your mic, share your screens, trade gold together, trade the VWAP Wave System. I see people. I'll see you here in about 5 minutes. Good, JP. Good for you. Nice, Vikram. Caught some decent trades. I'm not going to shut this one out. I'll trade this one again tomorrow. But I got to hit the flatten all button 20 times. Make sure there's no floating orders anywhere. All right, have a great night, guys. I'll see everybody in the morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the Discord. YouTube, we'll have the delayed stream at 10 a.m. Have a wonderful night, everybody.